Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. I like to call it a heist because they paid me. This is $143.32 worth of goods. It's all said and done. They paid me an overage, a moneymaker of $20.45. This is for the week of May 13th to May 19th. Today's Thursday. I'm doing this every week on the first day of the sale. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do them the rest of the week. And as I said, that $20.45 of a moneymaker, that includes tax. So, coupon boast people, please include the tax on your coupon boast because, it's only accurate. Anyways, let's get right into it. I think you guys should pick these up right away. So these are regularly $6.49. They're on sale for $3 off. You're looking at $3.49. So $3.49 for these. For four of them, I paid $15. Sorry, I paid $15.15 for these when you include the tax. Now there is a $6 off of two coupon coming out this Sunday, and there's also a $1.50 off a ibotta rebate. So I was able to redeem the ibotta rebate, and no, I did not have the coupon yet. But here's a little tip. I always give tips. Have them after you submit the ibotta rebate. Have them right on the receipt is going to be back with the coupons, because I basically said, hey, I got a coupon for these, but I don't have it with me. Can I bring it in a later? He said, yeah. Bring it. The customer service said, bring your receipt in with the coupons, and they'll refund you. So I actually had them right on it. It's going to be back for Cetaphil with Cetaphil coupons. So there's no confusion. Anyways, got this. This was Public Digital coupon. So this was a good one. It's $2.29. Public Digital coupon. Enter your phone number, get minus $2.29 off. So that was free. Got these Sauves. These were $2.29 with tax. For two of them, came to $4.97. And there's $1.50 off men's hair care product. So you can use two of those from the May Unilever. And you got $1 off from the store coupon. So you're looking at, I paid 97 cents for both of those, tax included. Same kind of thing. These are $2.19 each, so they came to $4.75 with tax for two of them. $1.50 off from the May Unilever as well. $1 off store coupon, looking at 75 cents for both of these when you factor in the tax. So these guys, so this is a good one as well. These are bogo this week, and they're $5.59 bogo. So for four of them, I paid $12.03. And then there's $1 off hang tag. If you find that, you get $4 off of that, and there's $2 off on ibotta for four of them. That equals $8 off plus the $4 off from the hang tag. Looking at $12, so basically 3 cents I paid for all those. This was the same kind of thing, except these are a little cheaper. These are $5.39. So for four of them with tax comes to $11.70. Once again, the hang tag, you get four of those $1 off hang tags. That's $4 off, and you get $2 off of ibotta rebates. Looking at $12 off of that $11.70 you paid, so you're making 30 cents on those. This was a good one. This is a great one. Always check the clearance as you watch my videos. You should know. So these were on clearance for $5.19. So I paid $15.15. Sorry, I paid $15.57 for three of them, and there's $4 off manufactured printable on coupons.com, as well as there's a digital coupon. So if you can't print, you can get that, or say you can print two of them and use a digital coupon for the third one, as I did, and there's $3 off on ibotta. So you're looking at $21 back from spending $15.57. You got a moneymaker of $5.43. All the links to print the coupon are below the video. As always, you want to print that coupon, you can find the link below the video. Also a very detailed breakdown, because I know I talk fast, but everything is broken down there. All right, these things as well was a slam dunk. These are $2.09 bogo. So when I bought 8 of them as their bogo, they came to $8.38, and I had a money maker of $3.62, because there's a $1.50 off. I believe it's from the March 28th, but you can check my below. And okay, this is another good one. This Happy gift card, it's $50. You got to buy $50. It's a Publix digital coupon to get $10 off your total groceries. So I bought this $50 one. And I bought it because of Burger King, because I use the Burger King app. Wednesday, there's Whopper Wednesday, get Whoppers for $1. So I'm going to get about $50 Whoppers for that. That'll probably last me a couple years, that thing. We'll see. Once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right there. Here's more cool stuff right here.